Are you worried about your heart health? Monitoring your blood pressure at home has never been easier or more important. Today, we're revealing the top 5 blood pressure monitors that combine professional accuracy with incredible affordability. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have this incredibly compact wrist blood pressure monitor that's perfect for anyone who needs reliable readings on the go. This device features a large LCD display that shows your systolic and diastolic pressure, along with your heart rate in crystal clear numbers. The adjustable cuff fits wrists comfortably, making it suitable for most adult sizes. What makes this monitor stand out is its irregular heartbeat detection system. It alerts you immediately if it detects any abnormalities in your heart rhythm, which could be a lifesaver for early detection. The device is battery-powered, making it truly portable so you can monitor anywhere, anytime. It stores multiple readings, allowing you to track trends over time. The one-button operation makes it user-friendly, even for seniors. For those interested in getting this compact monitor, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 4. Coming in at number 4 is this automatic wrist blood pressure monitor that takes convenience to the next level. This sleek device features an LCD glass curtain display that's not only modern-looking, but also incredibly easy to read, even in low light. The automatic inflation system means you don't have to pump anything manually. Just wrap it around your wrist, press the button, and let it work. The adjustable cuff ensures a perfect fit for different wrist sizes, providing accurate readings every time. The irregular heartbeat alarm monitors your heart rhythm during each measurement and alerts you if something seems off. This early warning can be crucial for detecting potential cardiac issues. The monitor is battery-operated, giving you freedom to use it anywhere without worrying about power outlets. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for travel or keeping in your bag. If you want to grab this automatic wrist monitor, check out the link in the description and comments. Number 3. At number 3, we have the U80E automatic upper arm blood pressure monitor, and this is where we get into professional-grade territory. This monitor uses the upper arm measurement method, which medical professionals prefer for accuracy. The adjustable cuff accommodates arm circumferences from 8.7 to 17 inches, making it suitable for almost everyone. But here's what really sets this apart. It has a massive 2x90 group memory system, storing 90 readings for 2 different users. Perfect for couples or families who want to track their blood pressure separately. The large digital display shows all your vital information clearly, and the automatic inflation makes each measurement quick and effortless. The device is battery-operated for portability. The accuracy of upper arm monitors makes it a favorite among healthcare professionals. To purchase this professional-grade monitor, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 2. The number 2 spot goes to this innovative USB rechargeable wrist blood pressure monitor that eliminates the hassle of constantly buying batteries. This is a game-changer for frequent users who check daily. The large LCD display shows your readings in crisp, clear numbers. The adjustable cuff fits comfortably and provides consistent, accurate measurements. What makes this special is the audible alert system. It beeps to get your attention if something abnormal is detected. This audio feedback is valuable, especially for elderly users with vision problems. The USB charging capability means you can power it up using any port, computer, power bank, or wall adapter. One charge lasts weeks. The portable design lets you take it anywhere, and the one-touch operation makes it simple. The heart rate detection works alongside blood pressure monitoring for complete cardiovascular health tracking. For those who want this USB rechargeable monitor, the link is in the description and comments. Number 1. And now, the number 1 blood pressure monitor on our list. This professional-grade automatic upper arm monitor delivers clinical-level accuracy in your home. This is the gold standard of blood pressure monitoring. The upper arm design provides the most accurate readings, which is why doctors and hospitals use this style exclusively. The oversized cuff adjusts from 16 to 54 inches, suitable for virtually any arm size, from small children to larger adults. This means everyone in your household can use it. The automatic operation takes all guesswork out. Wrap the cuff around your arm, press one button, done. The large digital display shows systolic pressure, diastolic pressure, and heart rate simultaneously in easy-to-read numbers. The monitor is designed for home use with focus on reliability. What makes this the top choice is the combination of professional accuracy, ease of use, and the universal cuff. Check the description and comments for the link to purchase this top-rated monitor. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.